Hey guys, it's your girl Ty. Thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time here, I hope you like it and enjoy the family and stay. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys behind the scenes of what it's like being a makeup artist. So I actually have a client coming by to do a wedding consultation. So I wanted you guys to see how I set up and a little bit of what it's like actually working with the client. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. You know I'm gonna ask you, you know what I'm gonna ask you to do, right? I'm gonna ask you to subscribe. Let me say it a little louder. I need y'all to subscribe, okay? So I just finished cleaning my apartment so that everything could be nice and clean and neat when my client gets here. So what I'm about to do now is hop in the shower, do my hair, do my makeup, and then get ready for her to come. So I'll be back. Okay, so my client is almost here, so I just have everything all set up. I'm gonna show you guys my table and what it looks like so you can see how I set up. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my table. In the back here I have my foundations. I have pretty, I think my client's gonna be a chocolate girl, so I have some of my darker colors here. I have some of my concealers. I have some LA Pro Girl, ColourPop, MAC. I have a few different pressed powders because this is my first time working with her, so I don't know her exact complexion. So I have a few powders here, Black Radiance. Then I also have my those are pressed powders. I have my loose powders. I have my highlights and my bronzers. I have my Morphe blush palettes. I also have my brushes. I have them in 2 different containers because I'm always looking for stuff and everything is always all over the place. Well, not all over the place, but I never remember where I put things back. So I think that if I have my face brushes here and my eyes brushes here, it might help me not misplace things. We'll see how that goes today. I have most of my palettes. These are all my Morphe palettes here, so my Jaclyn Hill, and then the rest of my Morphe. I have some of my I can't remember the name of these palettes right now, sorry. But I have some of these palettes here. And then I have my Naked palettes. I pretty much knew that I was going to use my Naked palettes, but now I feel like I might use my Jaclyn Hill palette. Who knows? I also have another Morphe palette here and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. As you can see, my palettes, I use them because I got powders all over the place. Have some of my disposable lip wands and my disposable mascara sticks. And then this bag just has all of my lipsticks in it because I'm not sure what direction we're going to go just yet. I have a mirror so she can see herself after, some cleaning wipes, and although I have most of my brushes here, I have some more here just in case I might need anything extra. Oh, and I also forgot to say I have some of my pencils, my mascara, my brow, and some of my liquid eyeliners. And then back here I have my primers. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much my table. So client should be here any second, so I gotta run. But I'll be back. Hopefully I'll be able to get some footage of me actually with the client so you guys can see. All right, I'll be back. So this is what my table looks like now. A hot mess. So I'm just going to clean everything up and be back. This video is just a little sneak peek of what it's like for me being a makeup artist. I definitely will have more of these videos coming with more behind the scenes. So I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed it, and I see you guys next time. Bye.